Let's fold this 12 units cuboctahedron. Start with a square and fold into a square base like this. And we want to squash fold all the flaps on all 4 sides. One here, second one, third one, and fourth. Now flip to the side like this, and same as the back. Want to fold this up, and once this is folded, just reverse into a mountain fold. Same as the back, fold it here and reverse. Now flip over this one, fold it up. Next is we want to trisect this angle here. First make a soft crease and approximate a trisection here. And this one, just fold soft crease to the existing crease and repeat 2 more times. Each time you harden the crease, and each time we do this, the angle will be more accurate. And finally, just make a hard crease. Now open this and fold this back. We want to fold this 1 piece of flap on existing crease. Repeat at the back, fold here, and do the trisection. First soft crease first, and keep repeating each time you harden the crease. This is the second, and finally the third one here. Make a hard crease. Open this up and fold 1 piece like this, and fold along this 1 flap. Now we want to do a reverse fold. Reverse fold on this piece, landing to the first gap here. Do a reverse fold here and land into the first gap. And after you do this, do a valley fold on this part and tuck this in. Same with the back. Reverse fold on the second one and land in the first hole. Tuck this in. And for this flap, you will see there is an edge here, fold along, and we want to tuck this into this one. Same as this part. Tuck this in here. And fold this edge to the line, same as the back, and fold along the middle so we have an X like this. To assemble, we will need to just insert the flap into the pocket like this, and just insert here another one. And once you have that, once you assemble 4, just insert each side here, put 1 so it forms a triangle. And once that's done, just insert 4 more at the back to achieve a 4, and we are done.